Meme coins on Robinhood are going absolutely crazy. We've got over $500 million of volume back to back to back days in a row. And today I'm going to show you how to get started trading 100x meme coins on Robinhood. If you appreciate this content, like and subscribe down below. Join me in my trading education community if you want to learn how to trade meme coins on chain. We'll dive straight in here. And as you can see, I'm currently trading on FOMO. And this is probably going to be the easiest way to get started in the Robinhood trenches, because this platform allows you to trade using stablecoins, USDC, across a range of different chains. I'm talking Ethereum, I'm talking Base, I'm talking obviously Solana, I'm talking now more recently Robinhood. So I'm going to show you how you can get started on here, but I have released two other videos recently on FOMO about how to deposit, how to get started. You can use simple credit cards, you can use Apple Pay, or you can obviously deposit crypto directly to the exchange. But ultimately, FOMO is where I would highly recommend you get started. It's a social trading app, and you can get started down below. The link is in the description of this video, and you get a 10% discount on your trading fees. So as you can see, I'm up 2x already in the past couple of hours on this token called it's called HOODRAT. It's absolutely cooking right now, and it's not the only one. If we come and have a look, Robinhood transactions are absolutely going skyrocketing. They're up to 5 million transactions over just the past 2 days. That's a 4x in literally the past 48 hours. Have a look at the DEX volume. As I said, up to 500 million across different Uniswap liquidity pools. And that's, again, similar multitudes of X's over the past couple of days. So as I said before, I'm going to show you how to get started in these trenches, because ultimately there's so many opportunities, as I said before. So ultimately, as I said, go to FOMO, sign up down below. You'll be able to connect your profile basically either using Gmail or an email account. Then you can start following some certain people on the platform. I highly recommend doing your own due diligence. It's always not financial advice, but this is an amazing platform to see who's actually a good trader and who's actually not a good trader. Now, over on the side, you can set up your own watch list. And right now, I've got a range of different tokens. Some of my favorite Solana tokens, whether it's a meme coin or something more like a gaming token like Kantara that really went viral recently. Pumpkin's more of a prediction market token. But what you start to notice is that even besides some of these Solana meme coins like Troll, okay, and Useless, I've got tokens over on Base. I've got an AI token here. I've got another AI token, another AI token on Base. So this platform allows you to trade in and out very seamlessly using stablecoins. Okay, very simple profile. I'm not going to show you how to get started on that particular, as in how to deposit and obviously withdraw. Go watch that other tutorial to get started. But ultimately, why I love this platform is because you can literally come and see who is the best trader, follow them, see how good they trade. Are they consistent? Are they winning just on one particular trade? Or are they more consistent across a range of different trades over a long period of time? Now, you can rank it by tokens up the top. Now, this is my watch list, so you can just star it, as you can see here, to rank these. Ultimately, you can trade majors here as well. You can trade perps, which I've done a video on as well. But as you can see, currently, this is trending. So right now, HOODRAT is one of the top tokens that's trending. It's up at 14 million. Juggernaut, another token that has been launched on Robinhood at 14 million as well, up 220% in just the past 24 hours. So what I like about FOMO is that it ranks it based on volume, it ranks it based on attention, and what you're seeing is tokens across multiple chains. And ultimately, Robinhood Chain is absolutely dominating right now. Now, obviously, if you want to buy and sell, you just simply go to a chart like HOODRAT, okay, and over on the side, you can allocate it in US dollar value. Say you got a $10 account, totally fine. You can trade with $10. Say you got $1,000, okay, buy over here and sell over on the other side as well. So if I was to sell my position right now, I'd be up about a 2.2x on this trade. Now, ultimately, very simple platform to get started. As you can see, you'll be able to read through some of people's thesis. So basically, they're talking about different tweets that people are thinking. They're obviously just going to, like, I like to find people not that just bull post and say, oh, rotating from this or 50 million soon. Like, give me some data, right? And ultimately, usually, if you go and find some actual stronger traders, you will find some opportunities out there and some really good niche traders across a range of different tokens. But that's how you get started. That's how you trade it over on the side. And you can obviously see all the range of different holders on the FOMO platform. And yeah, people taking profit as well. People up multiple X's now on this token, which is great to see. But ultimately, this is easily the best way to get started. And why? Because you can deposit US dollars onto this using your card or Apple Pay, as I said before, or trade crypto directly to this platform, and therefore make it super easy rather than doing the second step, which I'll show you right now, which is manual trading. And what I mean by manual trading is going to Uniswap, pasting in contract addresses, bridging money from, say, Solana or other EVM compatible chains, and getting it over to Robinhood exchange. Now, ultimately, the best wallet's still probably a Phantom or MetaMask, and you can connect that directly into Uniswap. So Uniswap, as you can see here, if I just come here and connect my wallet right now, it's an EVM compatible, whether that's even Raby wallet is another good example. But up the top, you can change between the blockchain. So up here, that little tab right there, as it shows you on the screen, okay, go all networks ultimately, because that way you can paste a contract from whether it's here on FOMO, just copy it underneath the title up the top and come to directly here and paste the token in, and it's going to pick it up as the Juggernaut, okay, over on Robinhood, and have that little symbol right there. Or you can just simply click up the top and select Robinhood specifically. Okay, so scroll down. It's obviously right up the top because it's popping off with volume right now. And if you click it, it's going to show you again on Uniswap some of the top tokens. I mean, Arrow's being crazy. CASHCAT's at $160 million. I mean, I just clicked off that one before. If we pull that one back up, come back to watch list here, it's 170 million, guys, in the past couple of days. I mean, you could have bought this literally 2 days ago at 15 million, it's up 10x in 48 hours. This is crazy. And again, you got to remember, Robinhood is huge, right? They are arguably the biggest competitor to Coinbase, to therefore Base Chain, and therefore the meme coins and the trenches and the AI tokens that could emerge in this industry. It's not like a normal L2 or a new L2 or a new L1 that's like trying to capture attention. They have the backing of so many retail traders. They have the backing of hundreds of millions of dollars of liquidity plus attention. So naturally, it really makes sense for me to record this video and try and get it out to you. But ultimately, you can come to obviously Dex Screen as well. Has all your chains over on the side. Let's, for the sake of this video, just show you how simple it is. Similar to other videos I've done in the past, guys, come over to the side, copy the contract address, paste that even in on FOMO. So like I still use Dex Screener to find some of the low caps, okay, over on new chain. So I literally come over here, I go down to the 5-minute on trending, and I see, okay, what's currently trending on low caps. And that's how I found HOODRAT before it even came to the FOMO platform yesterday. So I copied the contract, so I come here, okay, copy the contract up the top, whether you're going to trade manually using Uniswap or obviously on the platform using FOMO. Come up the top here, paste it in, and bang, it's right there, and I can buy it over on the site. Alternatively, if you're going to trade on Uniswap, you obviously need to bridge money to your Uniswap. Sorry, not your Uniswap, but your Robinhood EVM compatible. So if I pull up my MetaMask wallet, basically at the moment, I'm not going to have any money on Robinhood Chain, and another reason why I've been using FOMO. But ultimately, as you can see here, it has all the popular chains, okay? And you will be able to select and add the custom chain, okay? So you will have to go and search for this now and add the network name. I mean, I should have probably done that for you, so let me just do that for you. Add Robinhood EVM to MetaMask is all you need to type into Google, and then it is going to make it really simple. Here we go. All right, so basically, you can literally come to this website. If I chuck it up here, guys, I'll put this in the show notes down below in the description. But ultimately, come to this website as it shows you here, okay? And you can literally add it to any of these wallets. Brave Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Raby Wallet, MetaMask, Phantom. As I said, multiple options there for you. Literally click it and it'll prompt you over on the side, okay, to download the docs and allow you to obviously make sure you can connect to this EVM compatible chain. Ultimately, make sure you please are on obviously docs.robinhood.com to do this, but I'll chuck that in the show notes before, or obviously the old school way. If you've been around a few years, you can copy the chain ID, the actual the RPC URL, and paste that as I showed you before in the manual swap. Okay, so if I just show you how to do that, but ultimately you would be coming over to the side and swapping the chain. Where am I going? Where am I going? It's been so long since I manually trade. That just shows you. But basically here, all popular networks, you come to custom and you would go add custom network. And here, you chuck in the name, okay, the currency symbol and the RPC as well, and chuck it in there. But to get money across, obviously, it's a lot more difficult compared to just using something like FOMO. So that's why I recommend it. And you get a little discount on your fees down below if you sign up. But ultimately, here are some of the best options. Again, this is on the website, docs.robinhood.com, okay, /chain/bridging. That gives you a range of different options. Personally, I've used Relay for a long time, back when I was trading across on Abstract or even other L1s as well. It's a fantastic swapping between Solana and Base as a bridge. Pretty cheap, pretty fast as well, so it's highly recommendable, and it's the one I'll pull up very shortly. But you can use, I have used Stargate before as well. It's pretty good. But ultimately, there's a range of different options here, depending on what suits your fashion. But ultimately the way to do that is you would connect either your one wallet, okay, and particularly if it's going to be EVM compatible, which is obviously Robinhood, it's an EVM compatible chain. So you can use the same wallet to just bridge from Ethereum mainnet or even Base, okay, over to obviously your wallet here. So for example, if I just to show you how this would work, okay, I'd connect my wallet here to relay.link / bridge. And as you can see, I've got a little bit of USDC right now on my Ethereum chain. So I could literally just put $1 here, and I would make sure it's therefore going to send me to Robinhood. So I could directly buy it through the relay bridge, but I highly recommend you don't do that. You make sure you go to Uniswap and use actual liquidity pools. But for the sake of this video, I would choose ETH on Robinhood. And if I choose $1, it's going to transfer across. And as you can see, there's a slippage of around $2.42 before fees. And ultimately, it would go through quite quick. As you can see, only 1 second for the transaction and only 0.03 fees for the network cost. So it's pretty good, right? EVM is very cheap compared to what it used to be back in 2022 and 2021 and so on. So that's how you would bridge money over. I'm not going to do that because I'm not trading over there. As I said, I'm trading on FOMO. But ultimately, that's how you would move money from, say, mainnet or Base or other chains like AVAX or Optimism or Arbitrum, very simply to obviously that chain. Now, you would want to trade in ETH, so highly recommend if you are moving USD or obviously Tether as well, put it in ETH, because when you come to actually swap in here, again, it's going to be better because the liquidity pools are pegged to ETH most of the time. Some of them can be pegged to stablecoins, but ultimately a lot of them are pegged to Ethereum. Again, you can completely evade all of this conversation if you come over and literally use a platform like FOMO. That's why I started with that at the top of the video. But for example, as I said, if you wanted to buy HOODRAT manually, you go to Uniswap. You'd obviously have ETH on Robinhood. So if I'll zoom in really clearly so you guys can see that. As you can see, okay, you got that little Robinhood symbol at the bottom, which shows you which network you're on. Okay, so which chain you're on. It would obviously change if it was on ETH mainnet. It would obviously change if you're on Base. But ultimately, you paste the contract in here. Okay, and it would pop up again and give you a little warning. Okay, don't show me this again. Continue, and you could say I wanted to swap 1 ETH into this. Obviously, as you can see, I don't have any money in the platform, but it would buy $140,000 of this token. Hope that makes really a lot of sense, guys. But as always, I highly recommend FOMO. Really simple to trade in and out of multiple chains on any token. Okay, sorry, multiple tokens on any chains. If you have any questions about Robinhood, or you have any questions about anything, this Robinhood, literally come to june.com/Adam_tech. The Robinhood trenches, and you can track some of this on-chain data. It's absolutely cooking, guys. Highly recommend you check it out. I mean, 400,000 active wallets. Like, we haven't seen this since 2023, 2024 era in meme coins. That's why I'm talking about it, and that's why I hope you guys get super excited about this as well. As always, if you have any questions, drop them down below. More than happy to help you guys out. Check out GTG. It's my trading group. We've caught multiple of these trades over the years. I mean, HOODRAT, oh my God, 15 million. Let's go. Come on, I'm cooking right now in the trenches. So join me down below in GTG. If not, like and subscribe if you appreciate content like this. And have a lovely day, guys. I'll see you in the next video.